Very good morning to all. I am Senthilkumar from Mechanical Department, SNS College of Technology. So going to give a case study on change of trend from GI pipe to PVC pipe. So it is applicable in all the pipe industry that you know. So this is specifically for second year, third semester mechanical engineering students for the junior semester. So this we will see in growth level and evaluation level, not in the analytical level. So my dear students, you all studied about the design thinking already in the junior semester, especially first year. What are the phases are there, stages are there in design thinking? Tell me. Empathize, define, ideate, prototype and testing. So what is meant by empathize? Seeing the problem from the customer from their shoe level to the head. That is toe to head, the problem of the supplier has to be seen, I mean the customer. So after seeing the problem, we will define a specific problem, reason for non-success of that material or improvisation or modification, whatever problem we choose, whatever method we choose. So we have to define after that. After definition, we have to go for the idea, methodology. After idea, you have to go for the prototype making. After prototype, you have to test it for success rate. So after success, you will proceed or else you will come back to the iterative process. So empathize. In the pipe industry till 1960 they were using GI pipes, galvanized iron pipes, and ancient days they used bamboos, they used some structure, newly structure and clay structures, and that old stories and all we know. Now we are going to see the evolution from that GI to PVC pipe and its advancement. So the empathy part, you know that already what is meant by empathy. Seeing the world from the customer side. So they want the tap water as shown in the video very clearly without any hurdles. They want to get it from the source of the tank. That we have to assure by the technology. The technology till 1960 they were using the pipe as we are seeing in the video. These pipes are made with a lot of hurdles, with a lot of process involving in it. In ancient days we were not about knowing the petrochemicals for which is useful for making the pipes. So in the ancient days, I mean before 1960, I am telling 19th century, at that time they used making the metal to make the pipe. It may be GI pipe, it may be steel pipe, it may be brass pipe. So all they were used based on that. So after coming to the problem, they started defining. After empathize, they started defining with 4 W's. Already in the previous video I said what is 4 W. Can anyone? Yes. What, where, when and who. So through online tools they defined it, what to do next step. It has to evaluate, it has to change the trend, it has to change the cost of customer, and it has to give the more benefit to the end user. So they started thinking new way. So the plastic which are all waste, probably these waste showing in the video are after cutting the ATM card, we have plastics, no, that plastics and all. Here the petrochemical wastes are collected and made purposefully to utilize for the PVC pipe making. You can see that these are the ingredients added along with that for making the PVC pipe in the pipe industry. So the pipe industry, this is mixed in a machine which can generate more amount of heat, where these petrochemical products were thrown in a dumped inside the canal, which is going like a funnel and going into that extrusion process. Many processes were involving in it. While going into that, due to heat generation, what happens is it extrudes after some temperature level, say about 80 degrees centigrade to 400 degrees centigrade temperature is there. For that this water is supplied to cool that metal. So that was the idea which they defined from the previous one, from the empathize. Now let me ideate what has to be done. We know there is alternative for GI pipe. From the empathize we found it. So we have to ideate how to make this process utility for our irrigation as well as our application level of commercial pipe as well as in industry. So during the ideation they see the videos, what are the possibility, they see the knowledge from other forum. So let me see a video in a house. There is a PVC pipe we installed recently. That PVC pipe got damaged due to its lifetime or some other reason. You can see that video now that here. So we make another PVC and cut that for that pasting over there. We are easily cutting it. We are easily cutting and pasting it over there. And we mold it with lot of chemical available nowadays. You know that. So with the resins and chemicals and composition bonding materials, we bond it and we close it, we paste it. There is no leakage thereafter. So just think about GI pipe or steel pipe. Is it possible? It is not at all possible. We have to make lot of changes in the structure of house itself. We have to clinch and remove that wall's particular material. So it happened due to the design thinking process. Unknowingly, now we have implemented design thinking in the first year syllabus itself. You all know how to go ahead along with the design process of design thinking 5 stages. So now there is another damage, leakage in a pipe. We are seeing in the video that we are applying the paste and pasting over there. Very easy process in the PVC which melts and clamps over there. There is no leakage thereafter. You can see. You can get the tap water also. Just watch it. After 3 hours, the tap will be opened. So the 3 hour need for set right off that pasting. So after 3 hours, we are opening the tap. You can see there is no leakage in the joint also. It is coming very pleasantly. What is coming pleasantly? There is no leakage also in that tap joint what we have made earlier. Let me see another example. So the PVC in a household purpose of commercial usage, when it get damaged, as like earlier, by using the petrochemical bondage, we can complete it. You can see the another video. So like that. So after that we have to make prototype now. So at house we have checked where are the possibility that we have to find out resource certification, we have to do it. So lot of resource certifications are there, and we have to make bill of material also. You can see the another video in that it is applied for the irrigation purpose. The PVC pipe which is made holes and utilized for that. So after that we have to test it. So how to test it? We apply that whatever the project we have done for the improvement for the another evaluation from GI to FI. We are making testing in a circuit we made purposefully for testing the water flow in the agriculture unit. So they made holes and checking it. It's working out as like earlier we had seen the application. So this is a well-known application for junior point of view, my dear students for 3rd semester. So likewise, there are several applications are there. Evaluation from GI to PVC pipe. This PVC pipe has taken another step, that is making GI elbow alone at the edge for furthermore composition material. We can say composition of material. The combination of material is nothing but GI pipe and PVC. It is combined for long life at the edges. At the elbow and all, we can use GI itself. Based on the application, we are not completely throwing out the GI, we are using wherever possible.